Honey Badger here. I got a quick tip for you. Got one of these fancy new digital meters, and I noticed, excuse me, somebody's sawing next door, and I noticed that with the all the water shut off in the house, that I was getting a small leak in the reported gallons. This number was just every 5-10 seconds would climb up, and I noticed it was wet around here. So I followed up to here. I found that my shutoff valve was leaking underneath here and up here when I turned it, and it'd be okay for a little bit and then it would start leaking. So here's the tip, is you can just take this top off with a tiny screwdriver, and I bought another one of these. It's not identical, but they all use the same O-ring. And so you basically pop the top off, and then you can, it's locked down, but you turn it a little bit and it'll come out. You can see how it locks in there. Turn it a little bit. This has the O-ring on the bottom. This particular one has this washer, which mine does not have. It just has the O-ring. So I pull out the washer. I extracted the O-ring, and I extracted the O-ring from this. I greased it up with a little plumber's grease, silicone grease. Put the O-ring back, reassembled it, and it's good as new. So you can see this is kind of what can happen over time. Maybe, let's see. See, it's kind of flattened on the top side. Basically where this is making contact is probably where it was flattened, and it'll just start leaking over time. But you know, this cost $6. It took me literally less than 5 minutes to do this, and no more leaks. Honey Badger out.